It's around 2 a.m. in the morning, Saturday, with a rip-roaring blizzard outside. Still haven't found out what the definition of a blizzard is. And we'll take the camera and just stick it out the door. Might as well. My elderly neighbors and some other neighbors are spending their time up all night watching the snow fall. I wouldn't even be up now if I didn't have favorite computer programs. Programs on the computer that I listen to regularly. We'll see if this toaster works. I haven't had it working in almost 3 years. It was a good toaster at one time. I bought it especially because 2 other toasters that I had bought cheap, they burn out on me. And at one time, back to nostalgia again, when I was young, that was part of breakfast. Buttered toast and tea. And of course breakfast cereal, sometimes eggs, bacon, pancakes. But that's enough of that. Don't know how long it will take for the toaster to work. Like I said, I haven't used it in almost 3 years. I've been trying to plan on moving from this house, but it's a chore. It really is. I have so many books. I have hundreds of vinyl records, vinyl LP records. I have at least 6 filing cabinets jammed full of newspaper clippings. 70 years of souvenirs. I want to go through each item one by one. I don't want to throw anything out that I'll regret. This snowstorm, like a lot of people, had me go through my my DVD collection. I have both old-fashioned VHS tapes, and they haven't been transferred to DVD discs. And I have thousands of DVD discs. So that's what I did when I wasn't on computer or reading. Huge book collection. Thousands of books. Many of them I haven't read in years. I try to explain the reason why I keep the books is because of proof. Because a lot of the books are weird and odd and strange. Some of the pictures in the books are rare. That was part of my problem with my father. He, as being a good Christian, as he called himself, found some of the books I had either too erotic or too blasphemous.